Welcome to Tickleybird channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to edit a channel name in your Microsoft Teams community. So at first, opening Microsoft Teams, you need to go inside Communities, then just go to your community. If you don't already have a community, create one first. And inside your community, you gotta have some created channels. And to edit the name of your channel, what you have to do is just go to the channel which you want to edit. For example, this one, Amazing Cat Videos. I want to edit the name of this channel. I'll just hover over it and click on the three dot icon or the more options icon. And after that, I'll just click on Edit Channel. And then it will allow me to change the channel name. So I can put car videos instead of Amazing Cat Videos. I can also change the icon. I can also change the emoji to cars and click on Save. And just give it some time. It will change the channel name for me. And there you go. And basically, that is how to edit channel name in Microsoft Teams community. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.